Hello, I'm here to present our video demo on our project, Robo CSK Organizer, Common Sense Knowledge to Organize Detected Objects for Task Classification and Multipurpose Robots. This project was a collaborative effort with Rafael Hidalgo, Jesse Perron, Aparna S. Varde, and Wei-Tin Wang, and was sponsored by MSU Cross Labs at Montclair State University. Our research revolves around a new development, the Robo CSK Organizer. It's a step forward in robotic systems aiming to make their decision-making more intuitive. We've combined the principles of explainable AI with common sense knowledge to address a challenge. While robots can identify objects, how can we have them intuitively understand the context behind those objects? By utilizing tools like Detectron2 for object identification, BLIP for context discernment, Franca Amica ARM for grabbing and placing objects, and ConceptNet, which is a knowledge graph used for semantic comprehension, we've given robots a way to better understand their surroundings. This means they can sort objects by considering not just their appearance, but also their typical context. In essence, we've developed a system that processes information and, importantly, adds a touch of common sense to its decisions. This approach hopes to make robot decisions a bit more in line with how we as humans think. Now to our video demo.
First, we'll discuss learning task context. As you can see on our experimental area, there are 4 bins, each containing a room image. From left to right, they represent the bedroom, kitchen, garden, and office. A robot scans each bin, identifies the room using BLIP, and logs the room names with their respective coordinates. In the video's upper right, you'll see the robot's perspective as it identifies and learns each context. We have also increased the video speed to 3 times for brevity and convenience. Here we have our 4 contexts for better viewing. On the upper left is our garden, on the upper right is the kitchen, on the bottom left is the bedroom, and on the bottom right is the office. Now onto object recognition and sorting using common sense knowledge. Here we have 3 objects on our experimental area. From left to right we have a pair, a remote control, and a computer mouse. Our Robo CSK Organizer employs Detectron2 to recognize and pinpoint each object, then places them in their most relevant context based on the most optimal ConceptNet path. In this case, by using common sense knowledge from ConceptNet, our robot was able to deduce that the most likely location for computer mouse is in the office. The most likely location for remote control is in a bedroom, and the most likely location for a pair is in the kitchen.
Here's a visual representation of ConceptNet, showing how the kitchen relates to our 3 objects. Using ConceptNet, the pair was categorized under the kitchen. Let me explain this visually. Starting with the kitchen node, the pair node is to its left. We explore the 3 left nodes, prioritizing the highest weight of the at location edge, leading us down the leftmost path with a weight of 7.21. This path indicates that food is typically found in the kitchen. Further down, apple is linked to food by a related to edge. And then apple is connected to pear by another related to edge. Thus, following this logic, our Robo CSK-Detector placed the pair in the kitchen. Following this entire path, we see that food is at the kitchen, food is related to apple, and apple is then related to pear.
Thank you very much for your time and consideration.